Drain flies coming out of your drain can be a nasty and pervasive problem in any facility, and they can thrive if you've got slow running or clogged drains. One way to solve this issue is by using a drain maintainer with neem oil, like No Contest. See how it has a gel-like consistency? That allows No Contest to coat the drain line and eliminate the food source of drain flies, stifling the problem at the source. Due to its neem oil and gel-like qualities, No Contest can be applied wherever organic matter or grease persist, even in vertical applications. No Contest also contains enzymes that will treat drain systems with regular cellulose buildup. It's ideal for a variety of applications like floor drains, beverage tower drain lines, restrooms, portable toilets, and dumpsters. Address your drain fly problem by eliminating their food source with an effective solution like No Contest. Now, visit our website at www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in touch with State Chemical today.